What y'all think? Look. Look. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by AshimaryHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And let me just say, this is another slay. Slay, slay, slay. Do y'all see that hairline? None of my edges are out. This is all the wig. Ooh, you see it right there. This is all the wig. So if you want to see how I got this unit from made to slay, keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't see anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from AshimaryHair. All the specs of my unit as well as products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box, so if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 360 Kinky Straight 3C hairline unit. I got it in 20 inches, and y'all, she is long. It's like each strand, let me check, because this looks a lot longer than 20 inches. Well, at least the 20 inches that I'm used to. You know what I'm saying? I got my handy dandy tape measure. I got my little other one, but it's over there under some stuff and I don't feel like moving it. So let me just use what I have right here. Bring it down, bring it down. That's almost 28 inches right there from front to back. But they usually measure it from like top to back. Let me see how long this strand is in the back though. That's about 20. Look at that. I did go in and wash my wig, okay, but I didn't do a deep wash. I did like a co-wash with some conditioner because, you know, she was strong out the pack, okay? You're gonna want to go ahead and cleanse that wig to get that smell up out of there. If I had more time, I would have air dried her outside, let that air kick up in there, but we're celebrating our son's 17th birthday today, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair perfume all over that joint. I use my blow dryer brush right here to blow dry the hair, which helps sleek it out a little bit more because it had a lot of crimps in this joint, especially in the middle. This unit does come with the invisible straps on the side for that 360 look, you know, to tighten down around your nape. It does have two combs on the side with the elastic band that's already attached in the unit. You can take it out if you want to. I'm going to do that because mine normally pulls back on the sides based on the fit of this cap. I'm also going to take off that tape that's on the side. Y'all know I don't do the tape. Let me put my curler on. Where we at? Let's do 360. I gotta tint my lace as usual, so I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of that contour and sculpt shade. Put that all up in that hairline. Make sure I get my edge. I don't know how I'm gonna part this unit yet, so I don't gotta waste product and put it all over because you're not gonna see all over, you know what I'm saying? I'm using a contour shade on the back and a mixture of the two shades around the front because the back of the hair, when it's up, when you use a lighter shade, it doesn't hit the light the correct way, so you will see that lace. The combs are removable, so I'm gonna take the ones on the side out. Let's see. Boop. It's a little snug. That's one thing when it comes to these 360 units, they always fit a little wonky. Okay, big old dome, let's see what you gonna do. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I tighten you? Get that up. These are supposed to be 3C edges, are they? You might have to hit it with some water. We're gonna see in a second, or some mousse rather. Tighten this down like that. How's that look over there? Look okay? Pull and tighten. It's a little thick. I just wanna pull some of this out right here. Some right here, some of these little edges out, because I don't need all that. I'll take my Nairobi mousse, okay. Oop, I knew you were going to do that. I knew it. This wig is pretty much similar to the last one I did for Ashimary, the, what was it, chestnut brown ombre unit. Love that wig. Love, love, love. I wanted the natural color because I wanted to see how that one would look. So hopefully it turns out similar. If you don't have edges, that's okay. You got some on this wig. I want these to be brushed back. Now how would it get caught up in my nail? See, when my nails start breaking like this, it normally does it on one hand. That's when it's time for me to put my press-ons back on. I want little teeny hairs down, not a lot. I want the rest to kind of go back into the hairline. They sent me a band with the little earmuffs. Did I take the tag off of this wig? Wrap it down. Get out any shedding that I might still have. See that little hump in there? We don't want the hump. We don't want the hump. We don't want the hump. This is a 13x4? I think it is. Before I curl anything or press anything, I need to get my parting space right and just pull some of that hair from that parting area. Just kind of open that up. The hair comes out really easily, so shouldn't have no issue with doing that. And this just makes the parting space look a little bit more natural wherever you're parting the hair. Kinky straight for Ashimary is more so like a very light kinky, okay? The look is kinky. The touch, not as much. It's more of a silky kinky, all right? So very easy to work with. Even though it looks fluffy, it's not as fluffy. Get this going on the back as well. Okay, so the length right there, I'm just gonna even it out. Now I gotta put some layers in the front. I kinda wanna start them up here and come down. How do I cut this one? Let me turn it this way and go down. Okay. Oh, that's how you do it. All right, let me just add some curl. I put 4 on each side and then spraying some hairspray on it. The sexy hairspray. I'm doing all the curls to the back and I only curl the ends of the hair. I'm not going all the way up to the root. Let me pin this hair back so I can take off my band. Take off the band. See how our hairline is looking. Surprise, surprise. I think it looks good. Ooh, pretty. Just kind of brush these edges back a bit. So I'm gonna use my melt spray right here and just hit it right across the front like that. Still use my blow dryer, but you know, whatever. Now I could just cut this off and make this like a closure, but because it came like this, I'm gonna leave it. Brush this back. There we go. I was like, something is off right there. That it was too much hair sitting down. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Bring that down. Okay, that looks better. See, you gotta keep messing with it to get it how you want. Man, it is hot. Why did I put this on? Just using my fingers to comb out the curls. I do need to flatten this hair down on top while keeping the hair in the front. Lift it. Get a little hairspray. I'm gonna take my paddle brush and just kind of soften up this hair a little bit. There we go. Sometimes with finger combing it, it'll look stringy, so I gotta make sure I'm softening it up with the paddle brush. There we go. See? Put some powder in my parting space. I'm gonna use the Sculpt shade from that same contour palette. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of the contour shade on top to blend that together. Kind of dust that out a bit. And I think we are done. I think we are done. Okay, so here's the final look, y'all. This came out perfectly. I have no notes. I said exactly what to expect for this unit. Again, the quality of the hair when it comes to my scale of human hair wigs, this is fitting right in like that medium-ish range, a little bit below that medium as far as the quality of the hair is concerned for the kinky straight units. So not fast fashion, but not quite that medium quality that I expect for kinky straight units. If you are someone who is beginner to wigs and you want a more affordable kinky straight unit that is easier to manipulate, this may be the one for you. I have no complaints about the hairline whatsoever. You got to put some time into this, okay? It took me about 10 minutes to get my hairline the exact way that I wanted it. I got a little bit of shedding during the cold wash, none during the styling process, so that's always good. What y'all think? Look. And for my ponytail girls, you can definitely do the ponytail. You can do the up style. Y'all know me, once I get hot, I clip this joint up real quick, okay? And my nape in the back blends with this. So I just bring some hair down. Hold on, let me show y'all. I just bring some hair down over top of that, blend it all together. You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? I want the hair down right now because my back is out and I want the look. I think that's all I got. Oh, coupon code. I got one of those. And I'm pretty sure with the coupon code, this wig is like $160-ish, 164 or something like that. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do with your coin, but for his coin, That's all I gotta say. Shout out one more time to AshimaryHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.